Hey guys, as you can see, my front lights on my car, they're really damaged from the sun. This is in Australia, so pretty much we got 9 months, we got sunny days here. So you can see on the top it's really bad, just at the bottom it's still looking fine. So what I've done, I bought this restoration kit. It says for the mild lens damage, but to be honest, on my previous car, on my other car, I did the same stuff and you can see the benefit. It's great, it's all clean, it's not yellow anymore. So in this restoration kit you have two cleaners, cleaning wipers, and two for UV clear coat, so you can protect your lights for I don't know how long. But I found out on my other car working really well, so I thought it's good to share with someone, because I know some companies are charging between $100 and $200 to clear your front lights, headlights. Inside in this box you have two yellow bags, which is step 1, and two blue bags, which is step 2. So this one, with the yellow one, you need to clean up your headlights. You need to flush it up with water, clean water, wipe it off with a towel, and after that you need to put this UV clear coat. So let me open this and I'll come back. Here we go. This one, it's inside, so all what you need to do is just wipe it off. You can see the benefits straight away. Can you see the yellow liquid is coming already from this light? Look, it's unbelievable. So you can see the dirt already, so leave it there, wipe it off quickly. I can do same on the other one, of course, from the other side. It's like a magic. It's unbelievable. All dirt from your headlights will come off for bloody 15 seconds. Look this dirt. Magic. I did the same stuff on the backlights as well, and results, it's amazing. Shiny and clean. So after cleaning your headlights, you need to wipe them off really nicely with a clean towel. Make it nice and clean and dry. So the second step is to put a coat on that. So I'll take this one off. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Can you see how foggy it is? So look, just a one line. Crazy. I did watch lots of videos on internet, YouTube, Google and stuff like that, but I didn't believe in this stuff. But results are amazing. And yeah, job is done. Made. Nice and clean. Thanks for watching. See you later.